Okay, now I'm going to show you all how to make butter pecan sauce. Very easy. The first ingredient that you need is butter, brown sugar, heavy cream, vanilla extract, salt, toasted pecan pieces, and powdered sugar. I have a saute pan over a medium flame, and what I'm going to do is add a stick of butter. So into that stick of butter, I'm going to add a full cup of dark brown sugar. If you don't have dark brown, that's fine. Light or medium will work. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Once that butter and the sugar are fully incorporated in with each other, I'm going to add a full cup of heavy cream. That is decadent. And then once this is fully incorporated, I'm going to put a pinch of salt. I'm going to put just a little, like, quarter teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 cups of toasted pecan pieces. Make sure they're toasted, otherwise you're missing out on major flavor opportunities. Whisk, and voila, that is the butter pecan sauce. We're going to put that over our French toast now. Okay, let's plate up our butter pecan French toast. Normally in the restaurant we serve 3 full slices. I'd say a majority of people take leftovers home. So this is our home version. There's 4 pieces of our basic French toast. And then I'm gonna ladle the butter pecan sauce over that. Oh my God, what was I thinking? Look at that. Okay, you can put more if you want. You can put more on the side. You can take a bath in it. And then powdered sugar. You don't have to, but you know, why not? That's it, butter pecan French toast.